Hi, I hope you are doing great. So today we are doing a question that is like it's not easy to think a solution for that and the optimal solution. See, optimal solution of that solution, like many people will not be able to think like this can be done this way also. Okay? Let's think, let's
Okay.
try if you will, let's see if you will be able to think. Okay? So let's start.
Okay.
So this is the question. Can you please
Hmm.
tell me what is the solution that you are thinking?
Mhm. This is- Here also we can just return the max number of days taken for all the flowers to bloom,
Hmm.
and then we can
Minimum,
just
minimum, minimum.
yeah. I mean, that's what I was thinking. I mean, the maximum if we take the max number of days of
Hmm.
the array given.
Hmm.
So in that time, all of the flowers will bloom, and we can make the bouquet as required.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Just give me a second.
Was
I
that?
will do that. Yeah, yes, please continue.
I think I understood the question itself.
You are not able to understand.
So the question is asking, okay, is it saying that uh, Bloom's day of I represents the day in which it will bloom or the
Correct.
number of days it takes to bloom?
So it's like the day starts from first day, second day, it will be blooming on ith day. It is same
Acha,
as it
okay,
is taking I days to bloom.
okay.
Correct. Now, you are given an integer a bloom day, an integer m and an integer k. You want to make m booking. To make a bouquet, you need to use k adjacent flowers from the garden. Now, very important, k adjacent
Yeah,
means
it's got
k adjacent flowers should be bloomed to make one bouquet. The garden consists of total n flowers, correct? The ith flower will bloom in the that day and then can be used in exactly one bouquet.
it.
Okay. Return the minimum number of days you want. You need to wait to be able to make m bouquets from the garden. If it is not possible, then return -1.
Okay.
So basically, you want to make m bouquets.
Okay.
And for one bouquet, you need k adjacent flowers.
Mm.
And total bloom days are n. How many you need? M cross k.
Okay.
If m cross k is greater than n, means the flowers are not enough. This is not possible.
Okay.
Correct, no? Understood?
Mhm.
Means the flowers are less than required. M cross K are required. M bouquets you want to make, and each bouquet is having K adjacent flowers. And one flower can be
Mhm.
used once. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the condition for -1. Correct? Now,
Mhm.
you want minimum number of days. Now how? Let's see. So suppose now you want one flower. Okay. I will take maximum of this, that is 10. All the flowers will be bloomed on 10th day. Correct? And here, minimum is 1. Now, suppose I want the minimum number of days. On 10, everyone will be bloomed. 1, 2, 3. I'm having M cross K, yes. So 10 is possible, but I want minimum, I will go this way.
Mhm.
So it will give me 5.
Mhm.
Now let's check for 5. Means the days I'm having is 5. Okay.
Mhm.
If it's 5 days, this is bloomed, this is bloomed, this is bloomed. Now I just want one flower. This is okay, this is okay, this is okay. Yes, this is possible. I want minimum, I will try this way. This will give me 3. Now, is 3 possible? This is bloomed, this is bloomed, this is bloomed. Yes, possible.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now I will try this way. 1 plus 3 will give me 2. 2 is possible? No. 2 is not possible. So my answer is 3.
Mhm.
Correct?
Yeah.
So this is how this question will be done by binary search.
Okay.
Correct? For this question, it's not easy to understand that this question can be done by the binary search.
Mhm.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, let's try one more example. Let's try this example. Now, so 2 adjacent flowers I need. 1 to 10. I will go to 10 is possible. But here,
Mhm.
see, n is less than m cross k. -1
Mhm.
return. Correct?
Yeah.
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 Now, let's go this way. I need 6. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is greater. Okay. Now, maximum. So minimum is 7 here. Maximum is 12. So this is the boundary. With 12, this is possible. Now let's go. 12 plus 7 is 19 by 2 will give me 8.5. No, 9.5. And 9.5 is 9. Let's try with 9. On the night day, this is bloomed. This is not bloomed. So this will become a 1 flower. But this is not bloomed. So this flower won't be becoming. This flower won't be becoming. Because adjacent is needed na. Understanding na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So 9 is not possible. We will go this way. And 12 plus 9 will give me 21. 21 by 2 will give me 10 point something 10. With 10 also not possible. Then it will give me 11. 11 not possible. 12 is the answer. Correct?
Yes.
I hope the question is clear to you.
Yes.
In 10 is equal to bloomDay dot size. Correct? Now, Now here, let's check this. See, in the bloomDay, the maximum is 10 to the power 9. Minimum is 1. So that will be my range. Low is equal to 1. High is equal to 1E9. And there is a mid. Clear na? Now, if
Yes.
n is less than m cross k,
M into K
then return -1.
minus
Means
1.
it's not possible. While low is less than equal to high. Mid is equal to, what should I write here?
Uh, low.
Low plus high minus low by 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
If is possible. Now here it's very tricky to write the is possible function, okay?
Okay. Ma'am, I have a small doubt.
Yes, please.
Here the value of K
Hmm.
can be 10 to the power of 5 and M can be 10 to the power of 6. So at some point it is possible,
K.
right?
K is less hard, okay?
Yeah, K can be 10 to the power of 5 and M can be 10 to the power of 6.
Okay. Multiplication you are saying.
So yeah, multiplication will be 10 to the power of 11.
Hmm.
Can that be stored in an integer value?
10 to the
Because N
power.
is integer, we are comparing it with 10 to the power of 11. Will that be okay?
We can make n as long
Okay.
for better purpose, okay?
Okay.
We can typecast it.
Mm.
Correct?
Yeah.
I'm seeing that from the last 4 to 5 problems, you are able to think of the constraints. Correct? Overflow. And that's very good. You know, people don't see the constraints and they just keep doing. And that is not good. Correct? I'm happy that you're progressing. Okay? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
I want the minimum days now. So is possible. I want minimum. I will go to the left side.
Left. Yes.
Anything you want to say?
No, no.
Now you have to say. Okay? Tell me how you are going to write the is possible function.
Hmm.
Think about this. It's not easy to write the thing is possible function for this question.
What is the number of pages? Eight. Four.
So mid is basically means I'm able to make the mid is basically telling me
The
the
number
bloom
of
day.
days. Yeah.
Bloom day.
Yeah. It will.
Hmm. So how we are going to find out? Tell.
Hmm. Okay. So we'll iterate over the loop or the array
Okay. Okay.
and
Hmm. And
while iterative over the array if the number of days that it will take to sorry, the bloom day of that flower is less than or equal to day,
Mid.
less than or equals to mid value,
Okay.
will increase the will have a variable flowers,
Okay. Flowers.
will increase its value,
Okay. It will be 1.
and if
Let's say we're checking
yes, it
for
become one
10. Hmm.
number of flowers we have available.
Hmm.
So if flower number of flowers is equals to k,
Hmm.
then we'll increase the number of bouquets.
Okay. But how you will check that the flowers are adjacent?
Uh, we can state something like when we increase, since we're iterating through the array,
Hmm.
we'll go in a sequence, right?
Hmm.
So every time if for suppose we made a bouquet
Hmm.
out of the flowers we have,
But
then we'll
how?
make flowers as zero again. If they're not adjacent, that is, if day is
Okay.
less
Okay.
than
Okay. Wait.
greater
Wait. Wait.
than
Wait. Wait.
the mid
Wait. You
value.
are almost correct. Let me help you. Okay. So what we can do is we can make a flowers. Okay. Initially 0.
Yeah, yeah,
And this is number of bouquet.
yeah,
Correct? Which is 0. Now
yeah,
flowers.
yeah.
Suppose 10 I am
Mm.
checking. Mid is 10.
Hmm.
So this is
Yeah,
correct. Correct? This is correct. This is correct.
yes,
This is correct. This is correct.
yeah,
Suppose this is
yeah,
8. For 8,
yeah,
this is correct. This is not correct.
yes.
So I will check till this
Mhm.
how many bouquets can we made.
Flowers are there. Yeah,
Yeah. Flowers that are bloomed divided by number of flowers required adjacent.
bouquets.
Okay. Okay. This
Yeah.
will give me how many bouquets can be made. And I will make flowers to
Hmm.
0.
Hmm.
Okay. This is what we can do and get the answer. Correct?
Yeah. But we can also do something like if flowers is equals to like for suppose we are on eighth day, right?
Hmm.
So on eighth day we have uh, we compare that with mid value.
Hmm.
We compare one with mid value, that
Hmm.
is eight.
Hmm.
Since it is satisfying, will increase the flowers count.
Hmm.
And after increasing the flowers count, in that condition only,
How we
if
can do
we
that?
check the yeah, if we check if number of flowers is equals to k,
Huh. Number of
we'll
bouquets
increase the
1 and
number of
flowers are 0.
bouquets. We'll make flowers zero, yeah.
That's okay. Now we can do. Correct.
Mm.
Correct. If
Or use
hmm,
less
hmm,
than
if bloom day of I is
or
less than or equal to mid
less than yeah.
flower plus plus
Mm.
number of flowers plus plus. Now, if
If number of
number
flowers
of flowers is
is
equal to
equals
k,
to k,
number of bouquet plus
then we
plus.
can make a bouquet out of it. We'll have zero flowers there.
Yeah.
And we'll have zero flowers there.
What?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Zero flowers. I was
Yeah,
telling zero flowers.
zero flowers. Okay. But
Yeah.
what if it is not true?
If it is not true, we'll make flowers as zero because we are skipping and they're not adjacent.
Correct.
We don't have any adjacent flowers. We are
Hmm.
starting with them.
Hmm.
Adjacent flowers. Equals
Correct.
to zero.
Now, return
We'll return
if number of bouquets
bouquets is greater than or equal to n.
is greater than or equal to
N.
correct. Very good. Check if this is any error here.
I think it should work.
Let's try. There is something. Yeah, you were saying I'm cross K. Yeah, that's the error here.
But we typecasted the value of n, right?
Still it's not working.
Is it not for
But I'm happy that you are able to understand this can cause overflow. Correct. Now it's giving us an error, correct?
yes,
Tell me
ma'am.
what can we do? This is long here, but this is correct. You
Hmm.
were saying right. This is an integer division, integer multiplication, right?
Yes.
So this
Yeah.
needs to be typecasted because we can compare the same one, no?
Yes, yes.
Now it should work. Yeah, this is accepted. I hope you are able to understand this question, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So here, initially, like we are starting from 1 till 10. Initially, it's not possible to make m bouquets. Then it will be possible. It's false, then it's true. And we want the minimum. And because of that only, these kind of things only, we are able to apply this kind of solution. Is that clear?
Yes.
Correct. So, can this pattern occur? False. Can this pattern occur? True. And then false. Can this pattern occur and they are asking minimum? Can this pattern occur?
If minimum is asked.
Hmm. Minimum true is asked.
No.
Minimum true will be 1. This is not possible, no?
Yeah.
Only this will be possible.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I want to make you understand. Can we do something better in this question? Can something better possible?
Don't know. If
I
there's anything we can do, maybe we can do only in the is possible function because
yes, nothing else, correct?
yeah.
Yeah. I hope you understood this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone. Welcome to exam prep 2. So you are seeing now, you are seeing how she is giving the answers so nicely. Yes. She is a student. She is APT student. Okay. She is being trained by IITians and IITians. She is a student. Correct. So, do you also want to be like her, like a or a better version? So, guidance is very important. Correct. Yes. Sir. Okay. See, she's a student. She's a DSA student. Correct? Yes. See, in a DSA plus system design course, the developers from Microsoft, Google, and Oracle are teaching. That's amazing now. Yes, that's amazing. That's literally amazing. The developers from Google, Microsoft, and Oracle are teaching. That's amazing. That's literally amazing. So, and there is a 70% off going on with my coupon EPT 217 NID. Just go to the exam prep tool website and just do it. Okay? Yes. And we are having GATE CSE also for the Tier 3 students who are having the dream of going to IITs, ISC, or PSUs. We are having GATE CSE. And in all the GATE CSE courses also, you can find the link in our description. And if you will use the coupon EPT 217 NID, you will get 70% off. Very good. That's great. Correct. Yes. Then, if you want the projects, we are having the job ready course for Oracle database. Many companies ask the database, and we are having the web and app development course also. Just use my coupon EPT 217 NID, you will get 70% off. That's great. Yes. Please do it. See, you know how she's answering. You can also be like her, or you can be better than her. Just enroll and just do it. Okay? Yes. I know you can do it. Yes. Just remember, EPT 217 NID. Correct? Yes. You can find the link of the course in the description also. Yes. Just go and start learning today. What are you waiting for? Okay? Complete this series of 30 lectures. You will be solving. Do the homework questions also. Very important. You can do it. Okay? Yes.